people, it's your girl E, known as TheDreadpunzel, the Black Goddess. Okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you are a part of my YouTube family, right? So today I will doing something a little bit different for you guys. On behind camera, I do nails sometimes here and there, like close friends if they need their nails done, and I do my own nails as well. I am still a work in progress, but the work that I have done has been very exceptional. So today I will show you guys just how I clean and prep my nails before I do my actual nails today, okay? So you always want to make sure you're using clean products, which I clean mine with Barbicide. So this is my container. I don't know if I could. So it's kind of hard to show you guys at an angle, but I have Barbicide. Okay, if you go to the barbershop, ladies, though you don't go to the barbershop, you should know what I'm talking about still. This is Barbicide in this glass container with water. So I put my utensils in here that I use, and I leave it in there for maybe 10 minutes and take it out. Then I'll rinse it off, clean it, and let it air dry. I do have some products that are still drying right now, but this is fine for what I'm doing right now. I'm just prepping, so this is all that I need. The name of the Barbicide that I use is called Salon Care. I actually got this from the beauty supply store. I do not remember how much I got it, but when I find out, I will include it at the side here so you are aware if you are interested in getting it. You definitely do need a disinfectant when it comes to using your utensils because, yeah, we don't want to spread germs. So the first thing we're going to do, I don't have any nail polish on my nails, but we're going to go ahead and, if you do, I'm just going to do a step just in case whoever's watching this does have. Oh, we're going to take off any extra polish. Sorry, I gotta like come up in the camera. Alright, so it's gone. I'm gonna put this away. Throw this in the trash. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my nails just so that it's even. Doesn't have to be perfect because I will be doing my nails afterwards. So this is my before prep. Yeah, this is kind of hard. I don't know if you could tell. Well, yeah, you can tell. I have my ring light above and then my camera's inside of it. So like my ring light is separating, is like, it's hard for me to really see and try to make sure my hands are in the camera at the same time because the ring light is so big. It's like right in my face. So again, our nails don't need to be so perfect because I will be putting tips on. Okay. So once I'm done with a item, I typically a utensil, oh, you know what I mean. I would typically put it in that little jar I have of Barbicide and let it get clean. Just gonna take your clippers, place it in, and there you go. Leave it in there for a bit, 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and get our cuticle pusher, which is this end of the, we can use either end, but I'd rather use this end. I actually need to get a new one. As you see, it's pretty old. I just do it in any order that I feel to do it in. which is this. I mean, I do it any order at any time. Never is a particular. But that is a lot of cuticles. It's been a while that I've done my nails, guys, so. So it's a lot of to push back. Feel me? This nail looks so perfect to me. I feel like I don't even need to push back any cuticles. Same thing with this one. But look at that. But we're gonna go ahead and push it back still. Guys, it's kind of hard having this ring light in my face. Like, directly in my face. And I won't be using this item again, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in my barber side. But I don't think I'll be using it again. So we're going to go ahead and take our cuticle nipper. As you see, I already had started taking up some right here. Oh, you can't really see. Alright, okay, you can see. Now, I need to be up close for this, y'all. Y'all should see how I look right now trying to record this. Y'all, I'm gonna do this part off camera because I need to be able to really see my nails. And with the ring light right here, it's kind of difficult for me to look at my nails to do this part because I'm blind as heck. So yeah, we're gonna do this off camera. Okay, so now, Alexa, pause. Okay, so now we're going to go in with my nail drill. I got this from Melody Susie. I'm going to take this nail bit. Always use a fresh, I don't even know the name of these things, but you always want to use a fresh one. Whether it's on yourself or on someone else, always use a fresh one. I hate when I go to the nail salon and they just keep using the same one. I just don't understand. Like, miss, are you going to change that? I don't understand. So, as you see, I took all them cuticles off. Well, that's nail clips and cuticles mixed together. Now, I'm just going to go in I'm going to put it on the lowest mode, which is actually on the lowest mode already. And just lightly go around the edges of my nails, like around the cuticle area, just to get the little extra bits off of my nails. So these are my nails for right now. Camera about to die in like 0.5 seconds. Just going lightly around the cuticles. You always want to go in the same direction. So see, going from the right to the left. Now you see this one? See, I still have a lot of cuticles. I feel like the cuticle nippers, I said nipples. I feel like the cuticle nippers don't do me justice. Or I just don't be doing it full out because I'm scared to cut myself. I'm less scared using the nail drill compared to using the clippers. Alright, now I'm going to just go ahead with my brush and go to the sink and just lightly scrub at my nails. This is how they are looking right now. We're just going to go ahead and lightly scrub with the brush side. So I'll be back with you guys in a second. Right, y'all, my hands are freshly washed. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Nice and clean and fresh. So fresh and so clean. Yeah, look at my nails. Nice and clean. Guys, my nails are now nice and clean and prepped and ready for a nice full set. As I said, I didn't try to do necessarily a complete even nail cut because I'm putting tips on, so it doesn't really matter. So you see these two nails are a bit shorter than these two nails. And then on this hand, I believe my pointer is a bit shorter than the rest of my nails. And my thumbs, I did cut them a bit short. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see. Typically at the end of a fresh, if I was doing a regular mani and I just finished doing your nails like this, I would go ahead and, if you didn't want polish, I'll just go ahead and put some cuticle oil on it, or give you some clear nail polish, whatever the case may be that you would like. But I will be going ahead and actually doing a full set on my nails, but I'm going to save that for the next video. So make sure you guys do stay tuned. Put on your post notification bell so that you are notified on our next video. I'll be doing a full set. I'm not sure exactly what I'll be doing yet, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Thanks for the support. Thank you for coming back and watching another video of mine. And peace, love, and blessings. Hugs and kisses, and stay safe. Mwah. Peace.
My lifestyle rich.